Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable security alerts on Messenger for a more personalized and secure messaging experience. In this guide, we'll walk you through the detailed steps to help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. To begin, locate the Messenger app icon on your device and tap on it to open the application. Step 2. Once inside the app, look for the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access the menu options. Step 3. Within the menu, you'll find the gear icon symbolizing settings. Tap on the gear icon to proceed to the settings menu. Step 4. After accessing the settings menu, scroll or navigate to find the privacy and safety option. Tap on it to delve into privacy settings. Step 5. Within the privacy and safety settings, locate the end-to-end encryption chat option and tap on it to proceed. Step 6. Once you've entered the end-to-end encryption chat section, find the security alerts option and tap on it to manage your security alert settings. Step 7. Within the security alert settings, you'll find the toggle switch to enable or disable security alerts. Simply toggle the switch to the off position to turn off security alerts. By following these detailed steps, you can effectively disable security alerts on Messenger, ensuring a more customized and secure messaging experience tailored to your preferences. Enjoy chatting with peace of mind, knowing your privacy settings are optimized to suit your needs.